The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 745, effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, McHenry, Ogle, Will, and Winnebago. And the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, television outlets, and internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for south central Cook County in northeast Illinois, north central Will County in northeast Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:48 p.m., National Weather Service radar indicated strong rotation in a severe thunderstorm near Homer Glen, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Orland Park and Tinley Park by 9:55 p.m. Oak Forest, Crestwood, and also by 10 p.m. Midlothian, Posen, Markham, and Blue Island by 10:05 p.m. Phoenix by 10:10 p.m. Take cover now. If no basement is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Monday for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.